Don't try me. Bad like a villain, I pop it and then I reload. All the best things in life come for free, but don't you think that applies to me? I know what I want, cause I know that I'm hot. I ain't a damn what you know I rock. Wanna know what's to give you a chop. Took me a minute and I took a mile. I like it when you call me crazy, long as you keep calling, baby. Think it's good that I know how to shoot. Don't you say it if I point it at you. Go with my ex, dumped them in the text. Boy, wish you the best, but I already left date night with my get real twisted. You know what you could do, get my bunch of kisses.
Love me this much, my passion will drip down, it's freezing in my body. That's a girl's best friend. That's a girl's best friend. Don't need you, I got plenty up again. Don't need you, condom is dripping wet.
I know how to work a gun, I don't need a range, and I can take a hit. I ain't scared of the pain, and I don't really bang, but I came with the game. And if you get too close, I might snatch off your chain. Ooh, you want me to be a little more ladylike? I'm through with my girls and beat your hey, you don't wanna go toe to toe with my pedicure. Everyone you know be like, bro, how you handle her? Diamonds on my new boyfriend, so that mean I will never ever you again. And I ain't never need him, so it's so easy to leave him. And I be doing me, I ain't never trying to please him.
That's a girl's best friend. That's a girl's best friend. Don't need you, I got plenty up again. Don't need you, condom is dripping wet.
On the next Impractical Jokers, a Melmacian feast. Who is Styx? Oh, check, please.
Al serves up punishment, followed by Michael A. and Black. Supersized Jokers, tonight at 10 on True TV and TBS.
A blockbuster doubleheader on TNT.
Man, that's gonna be fun.
The Heat and Max square off. Then the Celtics take the league's best record up against the Nuggets. Coverage begins next. Presented by State Farm on TNT.